Hi everybody, this is Marlene with Dixie Quilters. Welcome to my channel. We're going to do a little box opening here. I got some boxes and came back from vacation and there's 2 things to open. So that's great, huh? Let me get that light out of your eyes if I can put my head over towards it here. And let's see here. That's better, that's better. So this is my sewing room. You can see my Destructo Derby behind me, but I don't know, it's pretty much organized by colors. And then the bigger bins are like 1 and 2 yard pieces. So anyway, so that's my mess. It's my box from Soft Squares, and it was on the doorstep when I came home yesterday. So let's open this up. I think it's something that I bought on a live or something. And honestly, I can't remember what I bought. But I do like that pink paper. The pink sticker paper, glue, tape, and then they got little pictures of the little pillow guys. What's this? Christmas Fabrics Lift Off. No, it doesn't. It isn't. It's. Oh, neato. And Berry Market. For goodness sakes, did I buy that? Wow. Okay. Well, what a surprise, huh? So this is Berry Market and Floral Charms. Those look nice. And I think I remember this one, Veranda. Wow. Let's look at the paperwork. Oh, it's in a pretty bag instead of their folders. Oh, they must have used up their folders. Those were really super. So now I've got a reusable pretty bag. Yay, thank you, Lynn. Good thinking, Marlon. Good thinking. Okay, so let's look at our paperwork. Live sale July 8. So for the Berry Market bundle, look at that. That is so nice. I want to open it up. I'm looking for the, oh, here it is. Here it is. Berry Market bundle. My goodness, I was going to make a quick video. This is going to take more than a quick video. Look at these beautiful things. Oh, and a bicycle. Stripes. Little flowers. Oh, those are nice. Oh, look it. I like those. You know, I'm going to have to come back to this video because I think my daughter's downstairs waiting for me to go take her kitty somewhere. I'm going to come back and enjoy this with you, okay? So, I'll be right back. For me, it'll be a half hour or an hour, but for you, it'll be right back. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, back to you. It's been about an hour and a half. We took the kitty in for spaying. And then we pulled weeds, and then we visited the fish in the fish pond next door. And I have my 3 years old yesterday, and he's very busy. So his mom is walking around with him right now. But we're going to look at what we got from that live sale on July 8th, where I got crazy and ordered stuff. Look at this, a drawstring pouch, make it pattern. Hi, Hudson. And it shows you how to do it. That's from Clover Needlecraft as a free gift from Lynn. And Lynn has Summer Quilt Retreat is still available in August. Ooh, I thought that was sold out. Wow, that's I'm scheduled for the December one. Singing Rain Quilt Kit. Now that's cute. Where's the camera? Doggone it. And then comes Morningside I love that one. Can you see it? How about there? Morningside. And then, of course, Karma Court. That is still beautiful. And then comes Summer on the Farm. These are all kits that Lynn put together and very reasonable. And then Jingle Bell Pines. That's so darn cute. Well, I'm working on this Jingle Bell mystery with Fat Quarter Shop, so I'm not going to do Jingle Bell Pines right now. And then please join us online and become part of the quilting community. So there you go. And is there a skew thing? No. So that's from Lynn. Now let's go back to seeing what we are looking here. This is the kit called Berry Market. I tell you, I like it. I like the bicycles. I like a little bit of an awning stripe and little flower, a little bit of geometric, but these are my favorites, as you could probably guess. Berries and denim. I like those. Gosh, you know, when you buy these kits, these packets, what on earth are we going to make with them? I don't know, but man, it's nice to have them. So I'm going to put that back in my Berry Market. And, well, we'll play with that later. I'll put the string on it, too. Here we go. Next, Lift Off. This is for Teddy. This is one I've got earmarked for my big boy. Let's see here. We've got... Hi, Hudson. Come over and say hi to my friends. No? Okay. He's snooping around in my sewing room. Well, look at here. It's got spacecraft and astronaut hats and rockets. And rockets over here. He's a little shy. And baby blue rockets. And purple rockets. And green rockets. Oh, well, that's cute. So they're basically 4 colors of one and then a bit of a border. That is cute. Wonder what that's going to become. Gee whiz. That is so cute, and that's called Lift Off. Then there's Floral Charm. Oh, wait a minute, Lift Off. 5-piece bundle for $8.75. Now that's a super price. And the Berry Market was an 8-piece fat quarter bundle for $14. Super dyna weapon, huh? Now this one is called the Floral Charms. And it's a 7-piece fat quarter bundle for $12.25. And then the last one is Veranda, which is 11 pieces for only $16. Goodness sakes. Oh, look, that pretty ribbon on there. But here is, this one's called Floral Charms. There's words. Beautiful flowers. I like that. Yeah. Come over here. Come over here, Hudson. That's a pretty flower. Oh, daisies. Look at those pretty daisies. Hannah, are you kissing him? Are you kissing him? He doesn't necessarily like to have you licking at him, okay? Yeah, okay. So you can see Hannah over here. She wants my attention, of course. Hi, sweetheart. There's my little boy crawling around. Come on over here, Hudson. Look at these things here. Fat chance, Grandma. Okay, so that's your berry charms, your floral charms. This is my favorite. And then it goes with it. That is so nice. So nice. And then Veranda. Goodness sakes. Veranda is those blues. I love Veranda, the porch swing concept. And wow. Beautiful. Blues and yellows. blue fleur-de-lis type thing, tiles. Oh, this one's pretty. Look at that. Nice pretty flower. That's got a big design. Let's look at it. Oh, it's a border. Isn't that nice? Like you say, what are you going to do with them? I don't know quite yet, but we're going to do something. Then these. My bundle that I'm using for the current Fat Quarter Shop mystery quilt that comes every day, every month in the box. I'm using blues and yellows for that I bought 2-3 years ago. So this would be a future blues and yellows project, huh? Okay, so that is my Fat Quarter bundles from Lynn at Soft Squares. And now I'm going to show you some Fat Quarter bundles that I got from, oh, here's my veranda paper. My lovely little packet, my papers. Keep my receipts. These are some Fat Quarter bundles that I got at the Church Dorcas Creative Nook or Creative Boutique, something like that. Creative Arts Boutique. So here is, I think I looked this one up, and this one is either Art Gallery, oh no, wait a minute, Andover, Dowager Countess of Andover. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that color of that purple. And then this is of the same line. And this one is just, I just love that one. And you can see, Fat Quarter bundle, $5. And there was 1, 2, 3. This one is a different line. This is from Northcott. And then this one is an old one because there's nothing written on the, I think I can, well, maybe not. It could be nice. It's sort of that mustardy look. But this one's, well, I don't even know how old this one is, but it feels older. And it's made by Clothworks. But you see, they bundled them very nicely. They all go together real good. Let me see if I can show you how that looks. Those lovely. That was a nice bundle for $5. Let's see what else I got. This one was also $5, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Fat Quarters. That's a lovely geometric. Could be even a batik for all I know. Could be. And then this one doesn't feel very soft. Feels thicker also. This one is recent. I think this looks like a Marcus Fabrics. This one's an Andover. This one is not my favorite. Feels like a Hobby Lobby. Yeah. But this one is lovely. This one is from Unknown, but it's very pale and very lovely. So again, they did a pretty good job putting those together. I'm sure these church ladies just get random fabric from people who die, and then they put them together in bundles or make quilts to give to homeless, is what my local church bunch does. Now this one is nice. Look at that. These are the words of Country Road, Take Me Home. I couldn't read it, but my daughter said it. That's what it says. And then look at this one. Do you remember this one? I don't think this one was very long ago, with the llamas and the cows. There's no brand on it, though. I like it. This one is unbranded also. This is a very nice fabric. Very nice hand to it. This one is Unknown. Again, that one feels good. Very pale. This one could easily go with the first bundle because it almost looks purpley in there. And then this one is Benertex. So it makes me think that possibly these were all 3 or 4 from Benertex because they're so, the thread color is so similar. And even maybe that one. $5, and it included this one, which is a different quality, different feel. So that was fun. Now, does that cover everything I got? 3 bundles at the Creative Arts Boutique at camp. Then we had these 3 bundles, and then we had these 4 bundles from Soft Squares. Oh, and at camp I got this bag. It's nice fabric. Feels good. It's almost like a canvas. It is a canvas. Very nice. And that was $10. Isn't that nice? So that is my haul from the last Soft Squares sale on July 8 and the Creative Boutique at church camp. So when you go to church camp, you can't help but buy some fat quarters, right? It's like an addiction. So anyway, have a good day and hope you enjoyed that. And be on the lookout for places where you can find fabrics that are not full price or that are not maybe this year's offerings, you know, from the designers. I know that there's a thing that is called Quiltopia that comes up in the fall here in Oregon, in Salem, and they always have a wonderful piles and piles of fabric that have been donated, and they sell them at, I don't know, pennies on the dollar. I mean, I bought a whole ton of stuff last year. So I'm looking forward to that. And of course, I've got my daughters and daughter-in-law all queued to look for marketplace fabrics. Anything on local markets, you know. Okay, well, that's my haul, and I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know if you've found any bargains and where you're finding them. Okay? So take care, and God bless. Okay, bye-bye.